Do you find the stationary clipboard on a RAM Promaster useless? Well, you can install something better. Watch this video to see how. So first what you want to do is use your radio removal tool to remove the radio. If you don't have one of these tools, you can use a wire hanger, or these are readily available online or at a radio shop. So you just pull this out. Once you've got that out, we don't need to take it all the way out. So then what you want to do is remove these two T20 Torx screws right here. Two. And once you've got those screws out, you should be able to pop this top off. And there we go. Next, what you want to remove are these two Torx screws here. They're Torx 20. That's two. Next, what we need to do is remove these clips right here. So we'll do that now. After we have those clips removed, we want to install them right here, in here. So you need to slide those in there, and we'll do the other one. Just like that. Alright. Now we install our new part. This is the new part. Open it up and install it in that space. There you go. And we're going to put screws, see if I can get a picture of it, right, we're going to put the screws in there. Then we need to replace the Torx screw there and the Torx screw there. Once we've got those two Torx screws back in, we simply reinstall the radio. Okay, it just pushes in place. There you go. And now, here it is in action. Ooh. there you go.